we're going to talk about quality strategy. So strategy, it's a little bit about business, yeah? But if we want to do anything good, even if we do it on level of testing, or level of development, or level of customer support, we need to know how to connect the business part and the power part. So that's important to know the strategy. And actually, I'd like to start with this picture. It's from Österreichische National Bibliothek here in Vienna. And you know that this year it will be 250 years university for Ludwig van Beethoven. Yeah? And they're preparing a lot of events here in Vienna, mostly in summer, of course. And this is a handwriting of Ludwig van Beethoven. You're German native, can you read us something? Is it possible?
I just tried.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Aber ist doch selber.
Difficult.
It's very difficult.
Difficult. Because it was like 200 years ago, yes. Handwriting has changed.
And he's writing like a doctor.
For non-native speaker, I think it's impossible. So I recognize some characters, but it's difficult. And next to it, you have different picture. Who plays music?
I only for my job.
Yeah. I think if you would have a clavier, you could, you know, it's quite universal. This way to explain music, and it's easier. Yeah, for me, it's also I can understand it. It's not my instrument. I was playing guitar, classical guitar. It's not what I can do right now, but anyway, it's more understandable. Yeah, and it's interesting because after 200 years, we can read this, but we were not able to read that. So, I actually took these pictures yesterday, so it was improvisation. My idea was that, okay, we have like writing for exchanging ideas. And now it's different. Now we can send WhatsApp, we can send voice messages, but anyway, it's about writing, it's about this kind of communications. And for some reason, for music, we invented this. Yeah? Why don't we explain music in simple writing? Yeah? Like it should be Mi in Do major or Re in Do minor. Why don't we just try it? Because it's too long, it's too complex, and a lot of unnecessary data. So instead of this, we invented this. Yeah? So the next question: if we have a strategy, should we invent some other language, or should we use one of these options or another option? Yeah. So there are a lot of questions about it. So what kind of notation should we use? And how to find out it? Should we use some special notation, or should we use simple writing, or whatever? And if you go to business plan, like 100 pages, is it okay? Probably yes, probably no, but probably it's not the most effective way to explain strategy. Yeah, and actually, that's what happened. So the answer to this, at least in most of the Fortune companies, Fortune 1000 list companies, was a strategy map, a balanced scorecard framework by Kaplan and Norton. So I see two challenges for this workshop. Okay. First of all, we'll talk about the effective way to describe strategy. Like if we don't want to use text, if we don't use music, what can we do? And we're going to discuss, because simply describing strategy doesn't matter a lot. Yeah? We need to apply it to some domain. And in this case, we need to have a base for effective discussion around strategy, especially in quality strategy. So that will be our example. And workshop takeaways. So we'll use these cards. I have a lot, so don't hesitate to use as many as you need. Hopefully you will have some systematic approach to describing and managing with any strategy. So it will be one step ahead, so a little bit more easier to get started. And who of you was attending my talk on the first day? He was there. Yeah?
I think it was
okay.
The first day was. Yeah,
a lot
it
of
was
talks.
the one about metrics, and I wondered like if metrics measures KPI.
Yeah. We had the discussion. So we'll repeat some of the ideas, but we'll go a little bit more in detail, so it will be interesting. And yeah, finally, what we want also as quality assurance people, quality testers, things, we want to prevent some quality problems. Yeah, and first, let's say group test. So it helps, you know, because if I will say you something, you can decide if you can trust me or you can don't trust me. But if we do something, some exercise, we'll be able to prove things empirically. So empirically means that we can measure it. And this is an exercise, take, I don't know, 5 minutes. So you can discuss it with each other and come up with the 4 most important goals of any organization. Probably you will start with your organization, like thinking, okay, my organization, top 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? But one condition, important conditions, all 4 you need to come up with just one set of these goals. You can say, I want to, you know, to do this. I have my own set of 4. To go ahead and start some discussion. Try to come up with 4 the most important